Hello and welcome! Today on Sparks and Spice, we're going to turn this cutest littlest Pet Shop whale into a cupcake. First, you're going to want to remove all marks from the whale to get it all fresh and clean. Take some nail polish remover and Q-tips and remove all marks. Just wipe it off. The whale is going to be painted pink, so paint your entire whale pink, except the eyes. This may take several coats. A good tip to hold the whale is to put a paintbrush handle into the blowhole so you can view the whale 360 degrees. Once you've got it all covered, let it set and dry completely before adding another coat. This will ensure that you get full coverage on your cute little whale. I am using paint pens to give it the sprinkle effect. Use lots of colors and dot it on top, head, and tail. After you finish dotting, you're going to want to use a fine tip artist brush and some black paint to reapply the eyelashes to your preferability, of course. After you've finished your eyelashes, you are going to be complete with your cutest little cupcake whale. Enjoy it and have a nice day, and see us back here for the next video when we customize a new toy.